फ्रेंड्स वेलकम एंड वेलकम बैक अगेन माय इंग्लिश कोर्स बुक स्टैंडर्ड 10th का 4.1 जो है यूनिट 4 का फर्स्ट लेसन द वर्ल्ड इज़ माइन, इसके वार्मिंग अप चिट चैट आज हम लोग सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर वीडियो विथ क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। 4.1 द वर्ल्ड इज़ माइन वार्मिंग अप चिट चैट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 फॉर्म ग्रुप्स एंड डिस्कस द फॉलोइंग टर्न बाय टर्न, है ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 यहाँ पे हम लोग देखेंगे। What do you often complain to your parents elders about? Answer: we often complain to our parents elders about the thing that we don't have. B है name some of the things you have in your possession which your younger brother sister does not have. Answer: I have mobile, bank account, sport shoes, but my younger brother does not have them. Name one thing that at present you are craving to possess most of all. Answer: at present I am craving most of all to possess my own laptop. D है read the translated Arabic proverb given below and discuss what it means to convey. I complained that I had no shoes until I met a man who had no feet. Answer: the translated Arabic proverb means to convey that I am unhappy because I have not got shoes, but when I saw a man who had no feet I felt very happy that God has gifted me with feet. Question number 2, read the poem below and fill the gaps choosing the appropriate words to make it meaningful. Also suggest a title of your own. आंसर हम लोग देखेंगे। टाइटल देंगे थिंक पॉजिटिव, बी हैप्पी, काउंट यूर गार्डन बाय द फ्लावर्स, नेवर बाय द लीव्स दैट फॉल, काउंट यूर डेज बाय गोल्डन आवर्स, डोंट रिमेंबर क्लाउड्स एट ऑल, count your nights by stars not shadows, count your life with smiles not tears, and with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends not years. Question number 2, fill in the table on your own. Answer: what makes me extremely happy and what makes me extremely sad. First, if someone praises me, if I do not get things that I like, when I get gift from others, if someone blames me unnecessarily, going for outing picnic when my parents or teachers shout at me, when I go out for shopping, when someone dear to me dies. Next question है make the world a happy place by changing negative things into positive ones. Sad world and happy world. Sad world में क्या क्या रहेगा? Hatred, love, और happy world में love, injustice, justice, poverty, richness, intolerance, tolerance, selfishness, unselfishness, selfishness, fear, confidence, jealousy, admiration, enmity, friendship, differences, unity, unrest, peace, dirt, poverty, and sorrow and happiness, joy. तो ये थे इसके वार्मिंग अप चिट चैट। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम लोग इसके इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप देखेंगे। बाय।